Hello, my name is John Conte, and I am a 1966 graduate of the University of Missouri. It seems that I always wanted to be an engineer. My father worked as a machinist at the Honeywell plant in Kansas City. I heard a lot about the world of manufacturing from my dad, as he seemed very proud of the work he did there. I had always thought that I would attend the School of Mines at Rolla, but I decided on Mizzou because of the IE program. I struggled academically with 5 semesters on academic probation and 3 summer school sessions, but I was still able to graduate in 4 years. My first job out of college was as an industrial engineer conducting work measurement studies. After 2 years, the company I was working for closed its doors and laid off everyone. I was devastated. But within 2 weeks, I had received 3 job offers, all in work measurement. I had one more job interview I wanted to pursue with Western Electric, the AT&T manufacturing facility in Lee Summit, Missouri. At the very beginning of the job interview, I was told that the industrial engineering position that I had come to interview for had been filled, but they had been looking at my resume and noted that I had taken a course in quality control as part of my industrial engineering education and asked if I would consider a position as a quality control engineer. I accepted that job, and for the next 2 years, I managed statistical process control charts. Then I was offered a position in quality assurance, working for AT&T Bell Labs, which oversaw the quality program at the same Western Electric plant. Over the next 20 years, I continued to work for AT&T Bell Labs, principally involved in the development of information systems that supported various quality initiatives for Western Electric and AT&T. Those initiatives included introduction of Bayesian assessment methods, deployment of relational database systems, and the development of various graphical display methods at more than 20 AT&T manufacturing plants. In 1989, after 22 years at AT&T, I was offered a retirement package that included lifetime medical insurance and an immediate lifetime pension. I was 46 years old. Within hours of my retirement, I was offered a job as a quality manager with a competing firm making cellular telephone equipment. That job allowed me to use all the knowledge and experience gained while working for AT&T. I also began publishing papers detailing many of the techniques I developed and deployed during my career. That job lasted another 10 years, and in the year 2000, I retired from full-time employment. Soon after my retirement, I was offered a part-time position working for the American Society for Quality. That position required me to teach a 5-day course, about 8 times a year, in various locations throughout the United States, Europe, and the Middle East. That course taught engineers seeking to become certified quality engineers statistical topics very much akin to the topics you would learn in a quality control and industrial statistics course that would be part of an industrial engineering degree. In March 2020, at the age of 76, I retired from my teaching position at ASQ. I love the part-time teaching assignments. I love manufacturing telephone equipment, and I especially loved my career at AT&T Bell Labs. But most of all, I enjoyed being known as a quality engineer and a graduate of the University of Missouri College of Engineering.